What's up, guys? So today we have a surprise from Kobe's grandma. We came over to visit her, and she pulled out this mega Absol EX Premium Collection box, which is pretty nice.
And my dad was like, "There's no second special surprise," and then she just pulled it out.
Yeah, because what was the first surprise, Kobe?
A Spider-Man costume.
Yeah, you want to show it to the camera? Go get it.
It's made by
So while he goes get that, we'll check it out. It looks like you get a cool pin. You get a coin with Absol. You get a giant Mega Absol EX card. You could see the card fell down, but you get a smaller one and a regular Absol. So here, Kobe, show us your cool costume. Look at that. It's a Spider-Man costume. And he's gonna put it on later for us to see how he looks like, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So let's see in the back. Let's see what kind of content. It says Absolutely Absol Premium Collection. One never before seen EX. One Mega Absol EX. One pin. 6 booster packs. 1 oversize. 1 coin. And then an online code. So go for it, Kobe. Open it up.
Open it up, Kobe. Now, before I put this video down.
Uh-oh, it's hard to open. That means you're gonna have some good cards in there.
It doesn't mean that. It means that I haven't opened up these boxes in a long time.
You just opened one yesterday. Lucky boy. Alright.
Yeah, but not this one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one. But that one was a little bit.
Alright, hold on. Flip it over when you pull it out so then they don't all fall out. And look at that.
Whoa.
Whoa. It's a nice setup. So let's see what kind of cards you get. You get
Whoa.
so we get
These
a
are a little bit bended.
yeah. We get an Absol EX and we get a Mega Absol EX.
Hey, I haven't seen this pack.
We get a Ancient Origins pack. We get another Ancient Origins pack. We get a Evolutions pack. We get a Fates Collide pack. Another Evolutions pack. Another Fate Collide pack. And an oversized Mega Absol. Which is awesome.
Here's the code.
There's the online code.
I'm gonna rip it.
There's the cool pin that Toto can have.
No, that's my thing.
And then where's the coin? Oh, there it is right here. Cool.
Hiding coin.
Well, without further ado,
No.
let's open our first pack. Which one are you gonna open, Cope?
I got Fates Collide.
Alright.
I thought this is supposed to be breakthrough.
Maybe.
I never saw.
Alright, hold on. Sit down and show the viewers the card.
I am not gonna look if it's white and green or if it's green.
Alright, so first card, what is it that you got? A Machinio Coffin. A Lullaby. Solosis. Cottony.
Oh!
Dun, dun, dun. He got a Delphox break.
Some people say that Fates Collide is just not good, but then you think, it is good now.
Yeah, and then what? Let's see the rest of them. You got another rare,
wait,
a Carbink.
What? I got a green code and that break just break through that.
Wow.
How is
And
that?
then we got some trainers too.
How is that supposed to be possible?
All right, Kobe. You gotta focus on showing the viewers the cards, all right? That's a good card.
Good pull.
Good pull. All Alright, next what do we have?
I feel like I got something good.
Alright. Online code. Alright. So we got a Vulpix. We got a Sandshrew. We got a Ponyta. We got a Magnemite. We got a Yellow Cheek Pikachu.
Yeah, I have like
And there's reverse holographic
I like how 50 of these.
Yeah. Reverse holographic Nidorino and a Dewgong. Dewgong's the rare one. Brock's maintenance and switch. Cool. So the two rare ones, well, the reverse holographic Nidorino and the Dewgong. Awesome. Alright. Next, what pack are you gonna open?
Wait, is Hoopa from Ancient Origins?
I guess so. I like the break that you got.
Is this me or is that Delphox this?
I think that's what it is. Cool. So right off the bat, what do we have?
Oh yeah. So,
A Quagsire. We got a Combi. We
I
got
think
a
I can see something.
Gullet.
Or,
We got a
I can
Larvista.
see something.
We got a Polygon. Ooh, a Metagross reverse holographic. And is it rare?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't pull it.
Oh, and we got a. Oh! Another
It's a
GX.
dinosaur! No, that's an EX.
Another EX.
I like Kiram, and my dream has come true to get him as a
Really?
pet.
So
Yeah.
look at this Kiram. It's pretty nice. 180.
If I had Kiram, this house would not exist anymore.
And we got a Metagross. That's reverse holographic. And it's rare as well. So we got two rares.
Look at that
Very
Kiram.
nice pull. This is a very good box so far. All we need now is the Charizard. Alright. Alright. Alright, so let's go through them quickly. Awesome. Riolu, Jigglypuff, Carbink, Levitar, Holographic Seal, and another Zygarde!
Bird.
Ton ton ton. And awesome. Cool. Alright, so let's take a look at the seal, which will go great with our Dewgong we just got. And a Zygarde non-holographic. Alright.
Is it just me, or is that like from the... Or is that the same scene, but except the Zygarde style? Like when you get a Reshiram and it's not,
Alright. Well, while Kobe opens this, I'm gonna do a quick evolution pack. Let's see what we get in there. Well, actually, looks like Kobe already got his open, so let's see. Go ahead, Kobe. So we got a
nope.
Polygon, a Golurk, a Spinark, a Larvita, a Magikarp, reverse holographic Metagross again, and a Registeel, which is awesome because we had a Registeel before. Alright, Kobe, let's make this quick. We only got 1 minute left for the video. So let's do this one really quick. This is the evolution pack that Daddy opened. We got Doduo. Hold on. No. One at a time. Come on. Doduo. Pikachu. Staryu.
I can see something.
Onix. Weedle. Reverse holographic Ponyta. And a Blastoise GX! Wow. So we got 5 EX cards in this pack. That was so awesome, guys.
Oh, yep.
Thank you so
And
much for watching, guys.
This
We gotta
guy's
go.
a star.
Bye.